as the sun sets low in the Cambodian sky. The river whispers softly as the day goes by. In the heat of the season, the world moves slow, but my heart races on as I'm ready to go. There's a path made of bamboo, strong and so true, leading me to the magic where dreams come through. With each step I take, I can feel the call, crossing over to where my heart